Hello and welcome to the final part of our ambient drone composition in real time. I'll put a link above to the playlist with loads more of these on if you're interested, and don't forget a like and subscribe is always appreciated. I'll play the whole finished piece through to you now, and when I come back it'll be past me who doesn't know how they've finished it off. So that's always fun. See you in a bit. Hello and welcome to part 3, hopefully 20 minutes maybe. We're going to finish off this cue, and you've probably just heard it if you didn't skip ahead. So this is the end of session 2, and we're going to go through and look for any problems, EQ things, automate some levels and get it ready to send off really. So let's quickly go through and do the EQs. It's got a nice low end hum there actually. Leave that. Want those nice harmonics in there. Okay, so this is low, so we can get rid of some of the top end. That's it, come in here. Yeah, that's fine, just making sure we're not cutting anything off. The bass, now we'll go for the ending because it's got the higher. So making sure no high frequencies coming through there to interfere with the strings. Now this is going to have some high resonant frequencies, but we don't want anything really muddy. Actually, I noticed that was quite low in the mix when we finished last time. I'll leave that. He says, going on the completely wrong section. We'll take the very lows out of that, but these ones probably don't want that big boom. There's no point overlapping with the low. And I think these are going to be fine. Unless we need to turn them into an effect, but generally I think that's going to work. Okay, in terms of volumes, we're all set here. What I might do, so we've got pads, strings, bass and percussion. So let's put in some reverb. So high strings, have those on bus 10. Bus 11. Let's have the percussion. That's reverb strings. So strings, percussion, and let's just get a generic hall reverb. So I think that is already set on the hall. Just check. And we'll stick that on bus 12. Okay, let's bring these up. And then what we're going to do is use some sends if we need to. So let's start with the pad. I'll rename it properly. That's quite nice actually. I've put quite a lot on, but let's see how it balances out as we go along. Here we're going to use the string reverb. What I'm going to do is just check. No, we're okay. Yeah, that's quite nice. This is going to be the main hall reverb. It's quite airy, so you've got to be a bit careful. Yeah, nice. I don't imagine this is going to need anything. Maybe a little. Now, the bass clarinet, I think we're going to have to go in and automate this a bit. Well, that's sounding like a pretty good volume now. I'm not going to touch the damage percussion, but I wonder if that transition could do with being plopped into the hall. Actually, maybe actually put it in the reverb for the percussion. Not that much. It's quite nice. About the longs. Okay, so how are we on balance? Well, that's pretty cool. What we do need to do is our old friend, the fade. On the stereo out. So we're sure we're out by the end. Grab the curve tool. give it a nice little finish. Nice, which means our end is there. We're starting just a fraction of a second. I'd do that either a quarter or a half bar of space. Okay, let's see what Logic Mastering does. So make sure your cycle range is selected and turn on the mastering. I haven't had to click the button to turn that mastering button off yet because I haven't accidentally clicked it yet. Okay, so it's taking out some lows and mids and boosting up the high end. That should bring out the strings quite a lot on the transparent mix. I don't think it's going to need anything more than that, to be honest. So I will play it through for you now that we've gone through, we've EQ'd, we've checked the levels, we've mastered it, and put those reverbs on to sit it in the Air Reverb Studio. I hope you found that interesting. This will be the playthrough that you heard at the beginning. Like and subscribe, always appreciated, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.